We'd like to welcome all of you to the first of our Power Hub product update videos. In this series we'll be discussing new products, the features and benefits of those, plus we'll also be reviewing existing products, the features and benefits which you may not be aware of. So for the first in this series we'll be reviewing the Lever Arm Isolator. Now this is part of our screwless range, more of which will follow in subsequent videos. So what makes this lever arm isolator so appealing? Well, let's compare it with one of our traditional rising clamp isolators, and you'll notice straight away the difference in height. Now the benefits of this one is that means there is more room to access the unit and for cabling, so easier access for that. You'll also notice as well that the width is the same. That means in confined areas, the same isolator can be used as well. So let's put this to one side and have a look at some of the other features of the lever arm isolator. Let's have a look at the knockouts. So on the top you have your standard 20mm, two at the top, and it's the same on the bottom as well, 20mm. On the back you have rear cable entry as well, here and here. So these can be drilled out so it can fit securely to the wall. You can also fit securely to the wall via these external screw entry fittings, top and bottom here. So keeping it a higher IP rating, IP66. And now for the big reveal. Let's have a closer look inside this isolator. So we're going to unscrew it in real time, just to show you how easy it is to access it. Just two screws, top and bottom. So make sure that the isolator is in the off position. That's the only way you are able to remove the lid. And also, just as a note, these are padlockable in the off position. So once we've unscrewed the two screws, there we are. Here we have the inside, and you can see the lever arms themselves. Here they are. And just to show you how easy it is to fit a cable, you just lift it and put your cable in. That's simple. You'll also notice as well that there are two terminal points on either side here. These are for your earth and neutrals, the solid ones here. There are also screw entry points to fit into a wall internally as well if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And that shows you the internal side of the switch. Be nice to have a look at the switch itself and see the benefits of this. So that's what we're going to do now and compare it. So let's have a look at the comparison between the lever arm isolator and the one that we're most used to, most of us, is the traditional rising clamp terminals. So with the rising clamp you need a screwdriver and you fit your cable and screw it down. Just need to be very careful that you fit it correctly. With the lever arm isolator, it's so much easier. If we lift the lever arm itself, like this, that's it. We can get our cable, physically put it in and down. And that is now secure in there already. And you can see how long that took, literally seconds. In fact, let's just try it and see how strong this is. So that's pretty tight. Mark, if you just want to come over, let's just see your arm, give that a pull.
Wow, that is tight.
There we go. So you can see the benefits and the speed in using a lever arm isolator. So let's just recap on our lever arm isolator. It's quicker, it's safer, and it's so much easier to install. With the lever arm itself, it means that those cables are fitted securely, meaning less maintenance in the long term. So we really want to thank you for watching the first of our Power Hub updates, and we look forward to seeing you next time.